Let's start by changing the resolution of our composition. 2160, 2160. Let's also change the frame range, 89, and insert our circle. Let's add a duplicator. On the duplicator, let's change the distribution to point and increase the count to 7. Let's go back to the ellipse shape. On the radius, right click, add behavior, stagger. On the stagger, let's change the values minimum to 90 and maximum to 800. Let's go back to the ellipse shape. Click on the Fill tab, change the alpha to 30 and look at the results. Unflag the fill. Go to Stroke tab, flag the stroke, change the width to 100, the cap style to round, flag the trim and turn it to 0. Turn on the first keyframe and go to keyframe 60 and turn it to 100. Check the results. At this point, we want to color each circle with a different color. Right click, create array from palette and connect to the ellipse shape stroke color. Here is the result. Let's add a stagger on the duplicator. On the Shape Time Offset tab, right click, stagger, and change its value minimum to -15 and maximum to 0. Let's go back to the ellipse shape, Stroke tab, width. On frame 15, add a keyframe. On frame 0, change the value to 0 and add a keyframe. Now move to frame 60, add a keyframe, move to frame 75, turn the value to 0 and add a keyframe. Let's see the result.